When it comes to enhancing the beauty, energy efficiency, and security of your home, choosing the right windows and doors is essential. Homeowners in Eagle, Idaho, and the surrounding Treasure Valley know that Eagle Windows and Doors is the trusted local expert in providing high-quality, durable, and stylish window and door solutions. With a reputation built on craftsmanship and exceptional service, Eagle Windows and Doors stands out as the preferred choice for new installations, replacements, and custom projects. Why quality matters in windows and doors. Investing in high-quality windows and doors is more than just about aesthetics. It's about long-term performance and protection for your home. Poorly made or outdated windows can lead to higher energy bills, security risks, and an overall decline in property value. At Eagle Windows and Doors, quality is at the heart of every product. From the materials used to the precision in installation, every aspect is designed to ensure longevity, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Energy efficiency and sustainability. Eagle Windows and Doors provides energy-efficient solutions that help homeowners reduce heating and cooling costs while minimizing their carbon footprint. With advancements in glass technology, such as low-E coatings and double or triple pane options, their windows and doors significantly improve insulation and reduce energy loss. This means your home stays warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, saving you money on utilities throughout the year. Unmatched craftsmanship and customization. Every home is unique, and Eagle Windows and Doors understands that. That's why they offer a wide range of customizable options, ensuring that each installation complements the architectural style of your home. Whether you prefer modern, sleek designs or classic, timeless styles, their team works closely with homeowners to find the perfect fit. From custom wood finishes to premium hardware selections, attention to detail is what sets their craftsmanship apart. Durability and security. Windows and doors are your home's first line of defense against external elements and potential security threats. Eagle Windows and Doors provides products designed with reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and advanced locking mechanisms to ensure maximum protection. Their high-quality materials withstand Idaho's diverse weather conditions, from scorching summers to freezing winters, providing lasting durability and peace of mind. The local advantage. Expertise you can trust. One of the biggest advantages of choosing Eagle Windows and Doors is their deep understanding of the local climate, building codes, and homeowner preferences. Unlike large national brands, they offer a personalized approach, ensuring that each customer receives tailored recommendations suited to their specific needs. Community-centered service. Being locally owned and operated means that Eagle Windows and Doors is committed to supporting the local community. Their team takes pride in offering friendly, professional service that goes beyond just selling products. From the initial consultation to the final installation, customers receive guidance, transparency, and expert advice at every step. Skilled installation for maximum performance. Even the highest quality windows and doors won't perform effectively if not installed correctly. That's why Eagle Windows and Doors employs a team of highly trained installation professionals who ensure precision and efficiency. Proper installation means no drafts, no leaks, and no future issues, just flawless performance that enhances your home's comfort and security. Customer satisfaction and proven results. Eagle Windows and Doors has built its reputation through positive customer experiences and word-of-mouth referrals. Homeowners consistently praise their commitment to quality, timely service, and attention to detail. With numerous successful installations throughout Eagle and the surrounding areas, their portfolio speaks for itself. What customers are saying. Eagle Windows and Doors transformed our home. The new windows not only look amazing but have significantly reduced our energy bills. From the first consultation to the final installation, the team was professional, knowledgeable, and incredibly helpful. I love the craftsmanship and quality of our new front door. It's both beautiful and secure. Enhance your home with Eagle Windows and Doors. If you're looking to upgrade your windows and doors with a company that prioritizes quality, craftsmanship, and local expertise, Eagle Windows and Doors is the name you can trust. Whether you need new installations, replacements, or custom designs, their team is ready to help you find the perfect solution for your home. Contact Eagle Windows and Doors today to schedule a consultation and take the first step toward a more beautiful, energy-efficient, and secure home.